All right, what are we doing today? First, my headphones are charging so that I can finally have some semblance of music while I do this stream situation. I got 30% right now. We'll hold off a little bit more. On the sound front, let me turn this down. All right. Might be a little annoying to have background music, but it's all good. Okay, so what are we doing today? Today, I want to finally get React 3 Fiber going on Webflow. I've done this a few times. The problem with this music is that it's distracting, so I'm just gonna pause it. All right. So when we try, so first of all, let me go to this. This is the library by Poimandres. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, this is the de facto best practice 3JS library or framework, I suppose. I don't even know what you call it. But it's basically how you work with 3JS using React 3 Fiber, or how you work with 3JS in React. The library is called React 3 Fiber. Why it's better than 3JS, it's not better, but like why it's easier, I suppose, is that it extracts away a lot of things, a lot of setups. It just makes working with 3D experiences a lot easier. I've built full-on 3JS projects on top of Webflow. I've actually also implemented React 3 Fiber on Webflow. And maybe we can take a look at that right now. So let's see here. I got a few. These are probably not going to run, is the problem. Let me... There are some challenges when you want to do what I'm about to do. The first thing is something called WebGL and the context. So essentially, in React and how, just like how a lot of these modern frameworks work outside of Webflow, is that things get mounted. There's this like concept of a component being mounted onto your DOM. Within the HTML, think of it like injecting a div or something. When you're working with 3JS, you have to mount a canvas element. And this canvas is basically your WebGL renderer. It's the thing that, renders out all of your WebGL, all of your graphics. The problem is when you want to implement, something like this on a platform like Webflow, you can't, you'd have to essentially, or like the most primitive way to do it is you would essentially have to mount the canvas element on every page. But typically in like a Next.js project or, outside of a low-code platform, you can maintain that WebGL context as you go from page to page. So you only mount your canvas once and then that's it. And then, you can just go about your day, go through the entire website. And so I've tried a lot of different ways to go about, trying to not lose context, essentially. And it's been very difficult. But I think I finally have been able to, I think I found a way to do this. And it's essentially just storing it in our local store. yeah, I don't know. I mean, we're gonna see how this plays out. But first, before we do anything, I do need to find all of my script. I haven't used these frameworks in a very long time, so I need to make sure that they still work. When you're working with local environments, coding locally and having it, update your JavaScript in real time, like how you're seeing it here, it's really tricky. I mean, I just haven't done it in a while. What I used to use as a framework for this is FinSuite's Dev Starter, but it looks like this repo hasn't really been maintained. I guess some GitHub workflows, PNPM got updated, so someone like spun it up 3 months ago. There's some ESLint updates. I don't know if I want to use it. The last time I used this, I wasn't as, I haven't like built a lot of things. Or I think the last time I used this, it was before I learned, or before I started using things like Next.js. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna look into, I'm gonna look for some old projects that I have and just see if those frameworks still work and what sort of updates I should be making. So right here I have 3 starters. That one's the Prospect Park project. These are very old. I think it's got to be this Webflow React 3 Fiber. Maybe let's open that up. So what I want to actually do is just like render out a cube or something and mount and try this whole have one instance of React just like mounted on my page, measure page speed and performance, or actually before I even start measuring it, just like get it to work, and just see in general like how it works. Okay, so let's open up a full, not that. Let's go in here. What do we think? Webflow React 3 Fiber, Webflow React. See, the other way I was trying to, get these like types of experiences was I was trying to use Barba for the page transitions. There's a new library that came out to give you a sense of like single page applications on your Webflow sites, making it feel more like Next.js. But that's like phase 3 probably of this whole process. Okay, so what do we actually have? Is this PNPM? Let's just install first, maybe. See what's going on. I meant to start this stream a lot earlier. So right now we're in React 18. Not great. Everything is very old, it looks like in here. Let's just see if this runs even, and what's up basically. I've got too many windows open here. I'm gonna use Claude as my AI today, I think. He seems to be the most reliable of the bots. Okay. Is there a... Where's the React here? I don't even know if I am... What even is this project? Oh, there's the React. So usually the React gets mounted with the ID root. So we'll see We'll just like see what this code base even is, because I have no idea. I don't remember. I also don't remember actually if it works. Okay, so it looks like we have it looks like we got Theater.js on it. Oh, this is I remember this. Check this out. Nothing? Okay, well, what's happening? All right, I'm gonna have to like just do this manually, I guess. Let's get out of here. I don't have any controls at all. It looks like. Sweet. I've got some sort of animation. I don't know what the point of that was. Let's like go up. I literally don't remember what this project is. There's no rotations, nothing. Okay, so this is completely pointless right now. So at least it's mounting, I guess. So that's good. Let's take a look at the files here. I got Zustand. Oh, this is pretty intense. I got points of interest. I got a lot of stuff in here. I literally don't remember this at all, actually. That's pretty wild. So here's the canvas that I was talking about. Basically, we need to make sure this guy doesn't lose any context. I got some animation controls. There's scene setup. Is there controls at all? All right, let's just put like map controls maybe. No limit. Let's see if live reload is on. Oh, I refreshed. Never mind. Okay, map controls is not on. Oh, it's because I have a fancy loader thing. I don't know what that's about. Okay, so this guy's just blocking everything. All right, well, that's annoying. Let's get out of here. Okay, so this environment is way too intense. Let's see which one this is. Okay. Who made this? Let's see who the main is. I mean, I must have used I definitely didn't write all this, so who made this? React TypeScript Vite. Is this just like a Vite plugin? Oh wow, I think I just made literally a... I just made like a fresh Vite TypeScript thing and it just worked. Is that possible? Let's see. Let's look at core shared. There's so much stuff in here. There's theater. I guess I was trying to make theater work. This is crazy. Like, I literally don't remember. All right, let's just look at my package here. Yeah, I think this is just straight up a Vite with, but how come it's building it? Oh, it doesn't have live reload. That's why we're not seeing. Like, if I take away, let's say, animation controls, maybe. Good, nothing happened. So that means it's working, I guess. Do I have console logs in here? Yeah, I guess. Unless this is fetching it from a live or from a server. Let's take a look. No, we're local. We're fully local right now. Well, that's interesting. So I guess maybe all I need to make this stuff work is this Vite plugin. That's good to know. Let's try it out. Okay, so let me, how should I do this? Duplicate, maybe? Yeah. Okay, let me get out of this one. I spun up a masked R3F test here, yeah. Let's move this over to Playground. Or maybe it's more of an advanced Webflow R&D, I guess. Okay. Into here. This is exciting. If this is all I need to do, this is actually much easier than expected. Well, the setup. There's the setup, and then there's going to be the actual work of making React 3 Fiber work across all pages. That's the real butter here. So let's see. Okay. Whoa. What are these? I cloned this from Mast. I wonder if... Does that just come with Mast? Oops, not that. I wish more people used Mast. I don't know if this is going to show me... okay, we're getting distracted. I don't care. It doesn't affect us. I am the prize. Okay, where are we? This is Mast. Okay, cool. So let's go on custom code here. And what I want is, let me just open this in split view. It might get cut off in the stream. It's okay. Design. So all I'm doing over here is grabbing this module right here. This will allow us just better developer experience, essentially. We'll go after these, and then it's pretty crazy that we're just using this. I don't know what this modal JS is. Okay. So I also have, I might copy this one too, actually. I've also got this script, which is really awesome. It basically will, just talk through the script real quick. Okay, so what we actually, apparently, all we need is this. So this is grabbing the build of, in here, it's grabbing this guy magically, right? And all of the compiled code in there. And then this allows us to basically every time we hit save in cursor or, you know, our IDE, it'll automatically refresh and all that good stuff. So we'll see if that actually works. But this script down here is pretty dope. Well, this stuff is pretty awesome because, so with Webflow, if you're writing scripts, you have to like compile all of your shit and then serve it, which is what, you know, all of this stuff is all about. So all your JavaScript has to be like compiled, right? And then the workflow is you compile it, and then if you're ready to launch your website for the public, you upload it to something like Netlify or, you know, a CDN or something like that. And then you use that embed with a script source. You know, I'm sure we've all seen that. what this script does is if it detects that your local host is running, so 5173 in my case, it will automatically load your local files. And if it detects that your local host is not running, then it will pull from the deployed script, which is this. So you don't have to do basically like this whole commenting, uncommenting, and like all this craziness. The downside is if you know, your user is I guess a developer as well, and they have localhost running, then maybe the site's gonna break. It's not the greatest script in the world, but it is pretty nice. So let me go back in here. What? Okay. This is why we don't write code directly in Webflow, because it's not very developer friendly here. Okay. I know there's like Slater and all that stuff, but I don't need... Oh my god. Maybe Slater would be nice in this case. I've never used it. Holy shit. Alright, let's go slow. Alright, let's remember we're at 5173 here. I guess if it's Vite, then we just know. Okay, next I'm gonna just mount... I'm gonna take this out maybe? This will be our root. So this is just gonna be where I actually plop on React. Okay. Where we at? All right. Next up. Did I forget anything else? Don't think so. So next up, I need to... I guess I just want to test. Maybe we just test whether or not... Well, actually, hold on. Webflow dev starter. I feel like I came across... Yeah, I did. I came across a few... These are all like app... This is all like how to build apps using Webflow. I don't know what is different with FinSuite's Dev Starter versus like just a kit. There's this. It's compiling CSS. That's not that unique, I suppose. As Playwright. I guess it has testing, which is why you would do this. It's got lint, but you get this with Vite though, I think. I haven't used Vite in a while because I keep initializing with Next.js. I wonder, is this going to... Well, I guess I need Vite because I'm using that plugin. Yeah. So I'm kind of stuck in the Vite world, maybe. All right. You know what? I can... No, I'm not going to use Bolt. Oh, the stack blitz. No, I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to go through the command line, I think. Oh man, I really actually want to... I kind of want to try Dino. All right, we're getting distracted again. Once again, we got distracted. Okay. Where are we? Terminal. I guess we'll do Webflow sandbox. Do we want to? Yeah, whatever. I was just looking at Webflow React 3 Fiber over there. What I will do is I'm just gonna do something like that. Okay. Not view app. What did I just copy? Why is that all? Why is... Okay. My delete's not working? No. Well, that's annoying. Alright, no. I want React TypeScript. pm create React TypeScript. Actually, no, I don't want that. I want... I think I want with Tailwind. Do I need Tailwind? I might not need Tailwind, actually. No, I think I need Tailwind. Okay. That one maybe. Wow, they have so many new stuff here. It's kind of nice. V. Some of these are like a little too intense. TypeScript, Tailwind, testing. Okay, we need Tailwind, we need Prettier, and we need ESLint. Which one is that? Starter. These are all vanilla JS, I guess. So let's just stick in the React world. Okay, template v React 18. Okay, we need to React 19 v. Basically, we need freaking Next.js. What's the closest template to Next.js? Server-side render? No, that's too much like Next.js. This one's got Redux. How much turbo repo? Firebase. Okay. I honestly might just clone. Should I just clone what I already had? Because none of this looks appetizing. I guess this is like the closest. Let's look at what this one is. Vite, React, TypeScript. 4 years ago. Oh, Jesus. Okay. 3 days ago. Uh-oh. At least it's got lint, types, build. That's pretty solid. Makes me a little nervous. React 19, Tailwind, ESLint, Prettier. Ugh, no. Get out of here. everything is up to out of date just because React's 19, freaking Tailwind's 4. So everyone's you know, all over the place here. So I think what we're gonna do instead is okay. Here's what we're gonna do. What do we call this? This is just creating like a normal thing. My React, yeah. Let's just spin that up, I guess. It kind of, whoops. It kind of sucks that like my React 3 fiber. Is this TypeScript? Yeah, React TypeScript. Bare bones. So what do we have in package here? Zoom in. So we got React 19, React DOM, cool, ESLint, sweet. Everything looks good. Let's see if lint is working. Lint's working. What else do we need? Build. Let's see if the dev runs. Should. It's pretty basic. Cool. All right. Configuring Tailwind. I'm gonna go rogue, get out of there. Dang it! Stupid. Oh, actually, no. Not dang it. We're good. I haven't done this in so long. Add the add tailwind v plugin to your v configuration. Beat. Where's my v config? Here's my plugins. Thank you. Tailwind CSS from Tailwind v. Yes, 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 yes. Import this puppy. I'm gonna get rid of all this shit. Oh, is that new? You just have one thing now? I should probably, yeah, this is worth looking into. Holy shit, it's actually done. React 19 should have that. That's sick. Wow, this is a huge update. I saw a lot of stuff about this. Huh. That's interesting. So good. Holy shit. Wow. Huge update. Oh my god. Lots of changes here. Very cool. V4 is a shift from configuring a project in JavaScript to configuring it in CSS. Instead of Tailwind config file, you can configure all your customization directly in the CSS file, where you import Tailwind giving. Oh my god, that is awesome. Put the CSS where the CSS is. That's sick. Fun new palette. There's a container query. Oh my god. First, why are we in Webflow? Okay, anyways. All right, we got Tailwind going. This is the like, all these people are complaining that, like, Tailwind's not working, blah, blah. Update the guide. It's like, just go to the docs. It tells you it. All right. Before. Let's just make sure our main has CSS. Tailwind's there. Okay, cool. All right. Now I can just do a little bit of that. All right. Let me go into here. Nope. Did I publish this? Here's the one thing. Every time you create a new Webflow site, is first step, have a cleaner IO domain. There's so many times where I need to pull this up on my phone, and it's like I gotta type a whole string of numbers because Webflow just attaches it. Cool. So there it is. There is nothing. Okay. Next up. What? Oh. Just gotta reorganize this for a second here. R3 at canvas, maybe we'll call that. We'll do min height. Okay. And then make sure it's root. Good. Next thing we want is in our main. It's already mounting it to the root. So let's just see. Let's see if we see it. I forgot to update the. This is just like OCD stuff, but I think it's worth it. Course issues? Oh, I guess page title is in the over there. Actually, I think I do want to, well, I could just open it up. New window. Just want to reference how I resolve some of the course issues. Let's look at the V plugins. There's a alias. Not that important. V React main.tsx as a module. Why am I getting course issues? Where the frick is it? Now is it working? I really need to change the site title. It's throwing me off. I'm calling it playground. I'm calling it sandbox. It's like all over the place. All right, let's check out what's up with this course issues. We have that. Oh, I need this at React refresh, maybe. React 3 Fiber. Which one is that? Plugin. This plugin React refresh. I think I already have that though. Let's open up the package. Yeah, I got that. I feel like, how did I do this last time? I feel like I've never run into a course issues before. I feel like I've never had to, never had to deal with this when doing local dep. Hmm. Let's just compare our configs. Okay. This one works, this one does not. Let's look at our TS config. No emit true, model resolutions bundler. Out directory is dist. Oh, where's my out? Maybe that's a problem. Do I have path aliasing? This is such a bare bones setup here. Bundler. Module bundler, allow importing types of extension, isolated modules. What? How does this bundle? Let's build it. It is in a dist. So let's see. Skip live check. Nothing in here feels like it's responsible for a course situation. These are just types. Strict mode. I don't want to deploy it. What's different? Theater, Redis, build. There's some React hooks. Types. There's always something. Let's go in here. Just trying to find what's actually different here. Okay. Skip lib check is true. Bundle info. Target 2022. Allow.js. Allow.js is set to true. Resolve.js modules. I think I do need to resolve it, maybe. Maybe. Define config, React. I need path. Might need to import. Package. Path. Where are you? Path. Is that not it? Where the heck is it? How is this one finding it? Node path. I think, isn't that just a library? No. I'm pretty sure it's a library. Why? We'll do alias. This is tsconfig path aliases. There's tsconfig node, and then there's this .json. The node one has all of this stuff. Oh, wait. Interesting. This is the app. Just missing the types, I guess. Restart TypeScript. Okay. Path aliases. So that's that up. (2022) React.js sucks. I feel like the issue is actually with this code that I have in here. Type module 5173 at React refresh 5173. It's almost like I don't have I'm missing a plugin, I think. Well, actually, let's do this. Is this running? I'm gonna turn this off for a second. Shut that server down and then spin this one up. And then let's see what happens. If it loads, then it's my code base. If it doesn't, then whoops, I think that was it. Yeah. So it's my code base. Oh. That, I think, is what I need. I don't understand why this one has a chorus issue. It's gotta be something about my config in my TypeScript. Let's see. Expanding plugin. That's testing. All right, let's ask AI what's up. Webflow to load your dev build, configure V to allow origin access. But I'm not doing that here, so I don't understand. I have a code base that works. Can you compare to and tell me what's different, I guess, and why I don't get the same issue? Working reference, vconfig, tsconfig. And maybe package? No. Anything in here, maybe? Script type module? No. Nope. Okay. What did I just give him? V, that, and then maybe I'll give the package. Package. This is my second problem code base. That's V tsconfig node or tsconfig JSON app config node. Always gotta make it so difficult with separating things out. I guess it's nicer. And then package. That's a heavy prompt. Wow. Is it Tailwind? I think I just need this server. Okay. Server. Course. Origin. Methods. Get post options. Get post. Never done this before. Who knows? This seems wrong. All right, well, that was the issue. It looks like Tailwind is an issue. Why? Let's see if how can I check if Tailwind is working or not? Well, I know Tailwind's not working because yeah. I'm just gonna do VH, or not VH, 100 VH, position fixed. We'll give it a 10. Nah, we'll give it a 0. Nah, we'll just remove it. Okay. If the flex works, then Tailwind is working. If it doesn't, then Tailwind is not working. Tailwind is not working. Okay. Interesting. I think I have to put... oh, it's only compiling the JavaScript, so it's not compiling everything? Is that why? That's why. So I have to add... this. Index.css. That's all I gotta do. So, custom code... source equals local source, what is it called? Index.css. Okay, so what? Once this deploys, then we can finally move on with our lives. What'd I do? What did we do wrong? Did it publish? Am I targeting the wrong thing? Tailwind's not compiling. I think that's what it is. Local environments. Let's make sure this is the right path. It should be. Yeah, it is compiling, it looks like. Oh, it's all the way down here. That's kind of an issue. I don't think that's exactly it, but you never know. I think this is why... FinSuite's thing works better, is because it's constantly building it. I think it's okay. We don't need Tailwind. Even though I really want it. Let's just see. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I also need to update this part, I think. So let me just tell the AI. I need my Tailwind to work, bro. This is how I'm importing in my Webflow. The JS is now working properly, but my styles are not. I should actually also check whether or not, oops, I have hot reload working. So the way to do this is we just go in here, not here, here. And we don't need, well, we might need that later. I'm gonna go in here and just change something in here maybe. Edit source app tsx. That's what I did. What did I just remove? Oh, I removed that, I guess. Yeah, okay. It's hot modules. At least the reload's working, you know? That's all we can really ask for at this time. Okay. Your issues is that, oh. Oh. I'm an idiot. This is the problem. I haven't written like just straight HTML in forever. Because who does that these days? You forget. You forget that doesn't make any sense. All right. Well, you know. If there's one thing we learned today, it's how to import a friggin' CSS file. So that's good. Web design 101. I mean, it's still not working, I think. Wait, I just link okay, that works. HTTP localhost 5173 v client index.css preamble install true. Wow. Well, the thing is, import index.css. I shouldn't have to do this because I don't want to get too caught up with Tailwind, but oh, I'm importing it right here. This is my main.tsx This is right because this is technically Webflow, or where the root gets mounted. So oh, well, if it's finding app, stop it, stop it, stop it. My app import works, but not my index. I mean, all right, fine. I might have to. Isn't the issue is likely with how Vite is serving CSS? It is, right? Yes, it's inside source. What's the difference? Oh. Link, style sheet, href, 5173, source, index.css. I think it just doesn't know about research Tailwind v4. I'm gonna do, this is my last try at it, and then we're gonna move on to bigger and better things. Error while searching, good. Based on your research, why is it not working in my environment and project? Specifically, how I'm mounting it on my Webflow. I mean, there's probably a in development mode via Vite, here's what's happening and how to fix it. As a direct file, might not be accessible when using Vite. Your index CSS is processed at runtime, meaning it might not be available via. It is though. A fully compiled CSS file. Oh, I think that's why. Slash. Whoops. Yeah. That's my CSS file, so that's not great. That's not a. There's a JavaScript. Yep, I gotta build it. Okay. So yeah, that's why FinSuite dev is correct, I guess. Dang it. Okay. So let's take a look at their build package. Their build.js, where is that? Greet. This is their build.js. The only problem with this is, gosh, I don't know if it's gonna be a nightmare trying to work with this. Oh, do I have that build.js in my other one? Let's see. I don't think so. Yeah, no, I don't. All right, well, that's why we need it. What else is in this package? FinSuite, tsconfig. Oh, I do need that at some point, so that's nice. It also has the utils. I might just use it. Should I just use that? I might just use this. Trust in Alex. Trust in Alex. Where did you just put it? Just, okay. Just dropped it in wherever I wanted to. Thanks. All right, well, a little annoying, but it's okay. Let's do... Great. This happening because the package manifests as an engine's npm field specifies install the required pnpm. Expected version. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, let's, that might have messed up. I'll have to take a note of that. Okay. What is the manifest engine? It's an update? What is it? What's my version? 9? What's npm update? Oh yeah. No, I just want to update actually pnpm. Oh my god. Fix this. I just need to update my PNVM. Why won't it let me? The PNVM run, PNVM install. Already up to date. Nothing's. I'm in developer starter, right? Latest. npm a version. Someone else was having issues with this. Oh, self update. Core pack. Okay, it's just like, no, I'm not gonna do that. Is it my core pack? Can't self-update in core pack. What's that mean? Do have core pack enabled. Dude, what the fuck? No. All right. Whoops. I'm on version 9. That's not. This doesn't seem like the right way to do it. PNPM self-update. You should update PNPM with core pack. Dev. What? A random issue again. PNPM update 10. V10 is set to the latest. Yeah, you can install it using latest 10 tag. Okay. But I get update PNPM with core pack though. Let's try homebrew. I had a feeling homebrew's got my back. Okay. What version now? Dang it. Was that not global? PN, what is it? Brew install PNPM. Brew, reinstall. I think I can just maybe remove that and then do this. Okay, I gotta just completely nuke it, I think. Oh God, thank you. Is that not global? Or do I need to maybe open a new one? Stupid. Okay. All right, core pack. Give me the sweet, sweet PNPM. Okay. Okay. Import. All right, so this is the bin-suite way of doing things, which I probably should have started with instead of wasting almost 2 hours on this. Okay. The thing is, now I'm gonna have to install React, I think. But I think technically FinSuite took care of Hello, John Doe. Okay, so that's working. Heo. All right, we got hot module reload working. Now comes installing the old Reacts. First, we want React 19. Learn. I just need maybe React 3 Fiber installs with React. Let's see. It does not. It doesn't. Overview. Installation, creating a React app. Full stack frameworks do not require server. I don't want to install Next though. Build React app from scratch. Set up a modular JavaScript environment. I think I could just maybe do this, something like this. Where's my reference? This is why this is a bit of a pain, but it's okay. Types. And we need ESLint plugins here. And we need React DOM. Okay, and then let's look at our config in ESLint. Import FinSuite configs. Did I already do this? Global browser. Did I have plugins in here? Nope. Oh, there it is. Might just put I don't want to For now, I will just do this, I guess. Well, let's do this. Install React in my project. I can't believe there's no React Webflow. That's for building apps. Oh. Articles, tutorial, video, resources. What's this one? Starpack Webflow data client. No. I don't want that. Are you done thinking yet, bro? I know I need to. Oh my god. I've never had to like build this shit from scratch. Package. I can see that you already have React. However, they should be regular rather than dev since they're needed for runtime. Let's create what did I call it in here? It's not even in a folder. Let's just index.ts over there. I guess I could mount it in here. These are all Vite stuff. Okay, now my TS config, I have to. What changes do I need in my TS config? Import apps CSS. This doesn't have, yeah. Okay, let's get rid of these. We don't need these. All right, and then index. What else? Index. Fix in chat. All right. No, I don't want this. to on, I guess is what I'm saying. Make sure you have a DOM element. If you're not using Webflow, just want a standard React. No, I am using Webflow. The problem is I just don't have the types, it looks like. Does this matter? So complicated. Okay, but now is my import I don't have CSS in here. I don't have Tailwind yet, so let's get rid of that for now. We're almost done, I think. Import suggestions accurate. I think so because it's still comparing to JS. Yeah. Okay, let's check it out. All right. I can't see anything. This is just a style issue, I hope. Yay, okay. Wow, dude. What a whirlwind. We had to update PNPM. Well, first of all, Vite was not working in some mysterious way, even though my other Vite was working. I look into that. But at least now we're in like FinSuite's ecosystem here. So we have access to a lot of like Webflow specific utils. And also now we got React. Okay, so next up, the thing is, I don't think I want to load up Tailwind in here. So that might be another project altogether. Let's push this up. This is just in it. Oh, whoops. Sorry, FinSuite. Wait, I need to fork this. Where's the fork? All right. Now let me go into tests. README. I'm just gonna delete all of this. It does have prettier, I think. Yep. React 19. What's our to-dos? Gotta add Tailwind v4. We gotta I'll leave it at that. Let me at least get let's at least get let me open up this other project here. I want to get what's it called? 3JS and React 3 Fiber going. Okay, so let's see. I want React 3 Fiber and dry. So dependencies. Oh.